It's very easy to fill ink on your Epson F170. Just open your cover, then open the ink cover, and then open each individual ink. Take your bottles, remove the lid, and place the bottle on top. Give the bottle a little squeeze to get the rest of the ink out, and fill it to the top line. Once you've reached the top line, move on to the next bottle. Once you've filled all 4 inks, close each ink cover. Then close the ink cover. You can now close your front cover. Press OK to proceed. Choose which inks you filled and press proceed again. If you filled it to the upper line, press yes. If you filled it to a different line, select no. Proceed to determine the level of ink you've set for each ink. Once you're done, press OK, and your printer is now ready.